Okay, he is standing on the surface of the earth. This is the different layers of the atmosphere. You know that the earth is surrounded by the different layers of gases, right? Now two medium will consider. देखिए अर्थ के पास बहुत सारी गैसेस होती है. Okay, it is covered by the atmosphere. So and in that way we can see that the particles are very close to each other at that point when it is close to the earth. So that is denser medium. और जैसे जैसे आप अर्थ से दूर जा रहे हैं, when you go far away from the earth, that time that particles becomes rare. Okay, they are separated from each other. So that medium is considered to be the rarer medium. So जो अर्थ के नज़दीक वाला जो मीडियम है, ठीक है, एटमॉस्फेयर का, उसे हम लोग डेंसर बोलेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे पार्टिकल्स बहुत नज़दीक है. एंड जो अर्थ से दूर वाला मीडियम है, जो एटमॉस्फेयर का लेयर है, ठीक है, वहाँ पे पार्टिकल्स दे आर अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो वी कंसिडर टू बी द रेयर मीडियम. ओके, नाउ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल दिस डेंसर रेयर. The layer which is closest to the earth is considered to be the denser. The layer which is away from the earth is said to be the rarer. We will consider a star. Observer is observing a star. What is this? These are the normal, which is, you can see on the screen, orange color line which is drawn, dotted line. Normal drawn to each layer. Okay, there are different layer of atmosphere, normal is drawn to each layer. Now the ray of light from the star should enter into his eyes. Now this is an observer, you can see. Now here ray of light will enter in the observer eyes. Okay, and ray of light is coming from the star. You can see how does the ray of light is coming in purple color. It is bending, right? Because it is coming from rarer to denser, so it will bend towards the normal. The ray of light will bend at every point with respect to, WRT means what? With respect to normal, at the density of the every layer is different. हर एक लेयर की डेंसिटी अलग है. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि अगर ये डेंसिटी की, ये लेयर की डेंसिटी की बात करें, इसकी डेंसिटी अलग होगी, इसकी डेंसिटी अलग होगी, ये लेयर की डेंसिटी अलग होगी, ये लेयर की डेंसिटी अलग होगी. यहाँ पे डेंसिटी कम होने वाली है, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होगा, फिर यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होगा, फिर यहाँ पे भी ज़्यादा होगा. इस तरह से डेंसिटी बढ़ रही है, राइट? But the observer having a normal human eye cannot see the bending. But we cannot see the light is bending towards us. We see that the light is coming straight towards us, right? So for him the light travel in a straight line. For an observer, for us, the light is traveling always in a straight line. In this way you can see, this is the light traveling in a straight line for the observer, but this is not happening actually. But the observer feel, we feel. Hence we see, he will see the star at this position. तो उनको कहाँ, ऑब्जर्वर को क्या लगेगा कि स्टार कहाँ है? At this position. You can see there is another star. Okay, there is actually one star. This is the real position of star, right? Which I have circled. This is not a real position जो आपको दिख रहा है, ठीक है? This is a real position जो मैंने सर्कल किया. लेकिन ऑब्जर्वर को स्टार यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहा है. ऑब्जर्वर को स्टार कहाँ दिख रहा है? जो मैंने राइट किया है वहाँ पर. Okay, and a different place, because observer feel that the light is traveling in a straight line. Apparent position, ऐसे position of star को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Apparent position. This position of star is called as apparent position. ये जो position है जो मैंने सर्कल किया स्टार का, उसे apparent position बोलते हैं. Apparent का मतलब होता है not real. It is not real position. As the air is continuously moving, the density of every layer keeps on changing. अच्छा, ये क्यों होता है? ऐसा क्यों दिखता है ऑब्जर्वर को कि हम लोग को एक्चुअल में पोजीशन क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है स्टार का? जो आप देख रहे हैं स्काई में स्टार, ठीक है, वो उसका एक्चुअल पोजीशन वो नहीं है, आपको अलग पोजीशन दिखता है, ठीक है? वाई? बिकॉज एज द एयर इज कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग, द डेंसिटी ऑफ एवरी लेयर कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. सो द अपेरेंट पोजीशन ऑफ द स्टार विल ऑल्सो चेंज. तो अभी आपको स्टार यहाँ पे दिखेगा, तो कुछ टाइम के बाद स्टार का पोजीशन फिर से चेंज हो जाएगा. बिकॉज एटमोसफियर का कंडीशन हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है. See, you can see here the star. After time you will see the star here, and after some time you will see the star in some position, different position. So every time the position of star goes on changing. देखिए दिख रहा है आपको, देखिए किस तरह से हो रहा है. आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है स्टार, फिर वहाँ पे दिख रहा है, फिर यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. इस तरह से आपको लगेगा कि स्टार ट्विंकल हो रहा है, बट स्टार इज एट द वन पोजिशन ओनली. ओके, so you feel that the stars are twinkling. So sometimes as the apparent position of star is close, it reflects more light and star is seen bright. देखिए कभी कभी आपको स्टार बहुत ब्राइट दिखेगा because more light is refracting from it. Okay, and sometime as the apparent position of star is away, it reflects less light, star is seen to be dim. And in some cases स्टार की जो लाइट है आपको स्टार बहुत डीम दिखेगा, क्लियर नहीं दिखेगा, डीम दिखेगा, लाइट दिखेगा, बिकॉज द लाइट विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्टार इज लेस. दिस क्रिएट अ ट्विंकलिंग इफेक्ट टू द ऑब्जर्वर. So this is how the star twinkle. So sometimes you see the star bright and sometimes you see the star dim, and this take place in a fraction of second, and because of that you feel that the stars are twinkling. So I hope it is clear that how does the twinkling of star take place. In examination how you will write the answer. Now let us understand that also. So you can write the answer in a point wise. First point, stars are the point source of light as they are very far away. So you should first thing you should remember that the star is a point source. It is considered to be the dot. Okay, and they are very far away from the, therefore they consider to be the point source of light. Second, the refractive index of air in the given region in the atmosphere goes on changing continuously and randomly. You know the atmosphere condition is not a stable, it always changes. Third, when the atmosphere refract more light towards us, the star is seen to be bright. As I told here right now, if more light is there, the star is seen to be bright. Okay, if more light is refracted, the star is seen to be bright. Fourth, when the atmosphere reflect less light travelers, the star is seen to be dim. Now when less light is refracted from the atmosphere, the star is seen to be dim. Thus due to the change in the refractive index of atmosphere, the star appears twinkling at the night, and this condition continuously change, sometimes bright, sometimes dim, bright, dim, bright, dim, and because of that the twinkling of star take place. So this is the answer you can write in examination if it comes explain the twinkling of stars. Okay, sometimes it comes in a paragraph wise also. Okay, a paragraph is given to you and the questions are given to you, you have to find out the answer from the paragraph. Okay, so you have to remember this concept and you have to remember this 5 points. So I hope it is clear with the twinkling of stars, right? Okay, now next about the planets. Why planets do not twinkle? Have you seen sometimes that the planets are twinkling? No. First of all, we cannot see the planets clearly, even though if you see the planets sometime, okay, you will never say that the planets are twinkling. Why? See, the reason is what? Same thing we'll consider, same diagram will take. This is surface of the earth, observer, these are the different layers of the atmosphere. One is a denser medium and one is a rarer medium. The layer which is closest to the earth is a denser and the layer which is away from the earth is a rarer. So observe a planet. This is a planet you can see here. Okay, planet is nearer to the earth compared to the star. Now first point is what? Stars was very far away from the earth, but planets are near from the earth compared to the star. So planet can be considered to be the collection of large number of point sources. आप देख सकते हैं planet में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे point sources बनकर एक planet बनता है, जबकि star तो एक ही point source of light था. Okay, light considered to be the dot. To understand the planet, we will consider one light of a traffic signal. आपने देखा होगा ये light traffic signal आपने देखा होगा, ठीक है. तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि ट्रैफिक सिग्नल में अगर कंसिडर टू बी द रेड लाइट, ओके, इसमें छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे बल्ब लगे होते हैं. let us consider two traffic light which have 100 of LED bulb inside it. If one or two bulb from the entire light does not glow, will it affect the glowing of the complete red light in the signal? कुछ एक दो बल्ब अगर इसमें नहीं चलेंगे, ये रेड लाइट में या ऑरेंज कलर की लाइट में, LED बल्ब छोटे छोटे, तो ये क्या बिल्कुल नहीं चलेंगे? ऐसा नहीं है, एक दो बल्ब नहीं चलेंगे लेकिन बाकी सब बल्ब चल रहे हैं तो लाइट आपको दिखेगा, राइट? सो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता अगर एक दो बल्ब LED बल्ब नहीं जलते हैं तो, राइट? नो, इट विल स्टिल ग्लो. सो सिमिलरली प्लैनेट्स में भी ऐसे ही होते हैं. तो इसके लिए प्लैनेट्स डू नॉट ट्विंकल. सो let us see first point. As compared to the stars, planets near to the earth. पहला रीज़न why planet do not twinkle, इसके रीजन्स मैं आपको पॉइंट वाइज बता रहा हूँ. पे अटेंशन. पहला पॉइंट यही है कि planets are very far near to the surface of the earth. Second, so the planet considered as a collection of large number of point source of light. ये एक पॉइंट सोर्स नहीं है, बहुत सारे पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट मिलकर एक प्लैनेट बन सकता है, ठीक है? या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ कि इफ़ आई टेक बहुत few stars together and I can form a planet. Okay, तो एक planet में बहुत सारे stars आ जाते हैं तो they does not blink. Third, if the intensity of light from one point source decreases, it increases from the other source, hence average intensity remain the same, hence planet don't twinkle. जैसे अभी आपको मैंने ये एग्जांपल बताया है ट्रैफिक सिग्नल का, तो अगर उसमें 100 LED बल्ब है, ठीक है, और उसमें से 1 और 2 LED बल्ब जल नहीं रहे, ख़राब है, तो 98 LED बल्ब जल रहे हैं ना, उसमें 98 LED बल्ब ग्लो कर रहे हैं, तो कोई फ़र्क पड़ता है? नहीं, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. स्टिल द ब्राइटनेस विल बी द सेम, ठीक है? तो वैसे ही प्लैनेट्स में भी पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट अगर एक दो काम नहीं कर रहे, बाकी सब पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट काम कर रहे हैं, तो प्लैनेट ऑलवेज सीम टू बी ब्राइट, कभी भी वो डीम नहीं दिखेगा. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द प्लैनेट्स डू नॉट twinkle. So this is the reason that you can write in examination that why does a planet don't twinkle. You can refer this point. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute, and this is also given in the textbook also, you can just go through it. Okay, so that will help you. So we have clear with the two concept, one stars, twinkling of stars, okay, very important, and second question is planets do not twinkle. Okay, just go through these points once again and then we'll continue. Okay students, so that's it in this video, and in next lecture we'll continue further. Okay, thank you so much.